If you like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, follow us on social media, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2018 Ford Explorer. As you can see, everything is clean under the hood. There's no damage to the engine compartment. The vehicle does start and drive. We're selling it with a salvage title. You have to excuse the video, it's going to be a little tight. Give you a glimpse of this side first. This side looks clean. I'll walk around. So this vehicle took a shot to the left rear. That's the driver's side rear. Damaged the rear tailgate, rear body panel, rear bumper assembly, and the left rear quarter panel. See, this door is offline, and there's a little buckle over here. Probably have to change the whole quarter section. Take a look inside. It's also a 7-passenger, but the seats are folded down right now. All the airbags are intact. You can find all these parts on www.car-part.com. They're pretty inexpensive. You know, rear end collisions are fairly easy to repair. Doesn't really affect the way the vehicle drives. Anyway, I'm going to take some images of this vehicle and post it on our website very soon. Thanks for watching.